Camco 25 PowerGrip extension cord with 30A 30F straight locking adapter allows for easy RV connection to distant power outlets built to last. 55,501. Safe and durable construction. Extension cord is constructed with 100% copper wiring coated with a heavy-duty flame retardant, heat-resistant PVC sheath that serves as protection from outdoor elements, wear and tear. High conductivity with a flexible and sleek design, bendable extension cord adapter allows easy conversion from a standard 30A male to marine-style 30A female locking connection. Rated for 125 volts 3750 watts. Constructed with 10-gauge wires for greater conductivity. Hassle-free PowerGrip plug. The patented PowerGrip handle eliminates frustration by assisting users in safely and conveniently gripping, plugging, and unplugging the male and female ends without straining or damaging the cord. Extended length extends 25 feet long to provide sufficient length needed to reach distant power outlets and sources. Weatherproof protection. The threaded locking ring feature creates a weatherproof connection ensuring further protection during outdoor use. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.